We were looking for peace of mind in managing this property. We didn't want to worry about it all the time. And there are so many moving parts. We really needed a professional. We feel really confident in not having to be here on site every minute. So that was the biggest concern that we had. Can we get the beds changed? Can we get it cleaned? Can we find the guests? Can we get the pavement set? It's a lot for a person to manage on their own. You really need property management. We've had nothing but 5-star reviews, partly because they love the property, they love the setting, they love being able to walk to the beach, and they love the responsiveness of Beachwalk. If they call, they're going to get an answer to their question or their problem. They really know what they're doing when it comes to maintaining a guest-focused home. Their property managers will charge less as a commission than Beachwalk, but in my opinion, it's worth it to go with somebody who knows what. I feel I can call at any time and get a quick response. I can consult, I can talk to Nick or to housekeeping about anything, really. And they do collaborate quite a bit. I think that's one thing that Beachwalk does extremely well, is collaborate with the homeowners on ways to make their property more enjoyable, both to the homeowner and to the guests. They elevated the whole experience. Every element of it has improved since we moved to Beachwalk. We're renting more at a better rate of return for us as the owners. We're not worried. It's really been successful with partnership.